Verriegeln!
It's magnificent. All engines steady, maintain position.
All right, men, double check the shackles on the barrel. We are not moving until this is locked down tight.
The arrival of the Schwerer Gustav marked a monumental achievement, bringing the sheer scale of the past into the modern world.
We are clear on the east side.
Copy. Continuing descent to 10 meters. Watch your spacing.
We need to stabilize the barrel section first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The schematics show a support brace right here.
Yeah. I'll make a note of that adjustment. Cross-referencing the LiDAR scan with the original schematics. See how the red zones align perfectly with the predicted fatigue points.
This faded line here corresponds to the main support structure.
And the scan confirms the exact angle. Remarkable detail.
We've got major stress fractures here. The material integrity is compromised at this depth.
Target Alpha 7 aligned. Checking parallax. And capture. If we follow the projected sequence, we minimize risk to the chassis.
What about the power conduit reroute?
The filtration units are online.
Humidity levels are stabilizing at 40%.
Carefully now, the humidity spiked slightly when we opened the container.
It's stabilizing. We have the guidance system secure in the anti-static bag. We've allocated the necessary resources for the accelerated timeline shown here.
And this assumes the materials arrive by the 15th, correct?
Hold position. Check alignment markers B and C.
Markers B and C are aligned. Proceed.
Cross-reference the schematic. We need to verify this junction.
Okay, the pressure line is tagged correctly. Starting the drain now.
This is the main harness feed. Note the degradation on the blue line.
All right, bring it down slowly. Just a few more centimeters on the forward hoist.
Copy. Lowering now. Alignment looks stable.
That fits perfectly. Now stabilize the input array. We need a clean solder joint right here.
Aligning the main piston now. Watch the seals.
Levels are steady. Applying final torque to spec.
Checking the internal diameter now. Reads 150.0003. Confirmed.
There it is, a hairline fracture on the trailing edge. Magnification confirms the depth.
The torque is released on the upper housing.
Verified. We can start the extraction sequence on blade 42. To ensure the engine's longevity, this shaft must be balanced to micron levels. The laser sensors provide real-time data. Reading confirmed at 250.
Verified. Proceed to the next segment.
We are clear for the first pass.
Applying torque now. Listen for the clicks.
Pressure holding steady at 500 bar.
Copy that. All sensors reading nominal for bank 7.
Look at the thrust. It's peaking exactly as predicted.
Incredible. All systems are green. Hold it steady right there.
Got it. Firing the first rivet.
According to the diagram, this connects here.
All right, route the blue return line next.
Yellow to Terminal G. Confirmed connection secure. Moving to the next bundle.
Actuator cycling sequence initiated.
Movement is smooth. Calibration data is stable.
Guide it in slowly, watch the alignment. Almost there. Hand me the torque wrench. Pressure is stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. No sign of leakage around the main manifold. The UV scan is clear.
Now let's see the activation under the UV spectrum. Yes, the brightness is consistent with the historical specification.
Okay, gently lower it in.
Watch the alignment on the left side.
Looks good. Secure the bezel.
Attention ground team. We are approaching the assembly point. Maintain slow, steady movement.
Over.
Alignment on the x-axis is holding at 0.
Confirmed. The laser grid is stable. We are within tolerance.
Apply torque now.
Steady!
Reading 9,500, locked in.
Pressure holding steady at 4,000.
Confirming synchronization on the west side jacks.
We are clear for the next phase.
Go gauge slides smoothly. Fit is confirmed.
Hold it there. Lower left by 5 millimeters.
5 millimeters left, confirmed. Steady now.
Torque looks good. Confirmed. Moving to the next one.
Channel 49er registering nominal voltage.
Confirmed. All parameters within tolerance. Power cycle complete.
We're maintaining maximum pressure.
Acknowledged. We still have minor cavitation here.
Control, this is Gustav. Radio check. Over. Gustav, control. Loud and clear. Stand by.
Critical system failure active. Acknowledge immediately.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics. System clear.
Keep the pressure steady on the edge. Copy that. Making the final pass now.
We're maintaining the optimal temperature curve.
Good. The polymerization rate is exactly where it should be. Wheels secured. Barrel alignment nominal. Breech clear and locked. Ready for firing sequence.
Status green. Trajectory locked. Firing sequence initiated.
Achtung! Rohrneigung 2 Grad. Granate in den Verschluss. Vorladen. Verriegeln.